Clearing the air, understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase. Let's clear the air. Understanding phrases like this is crucial for effective communication in English. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Let's clear the air is a phrase used when someone wants to address and resolve any misunderstandings, disputes, or hard feelings among individuals. It's all about opening up a dialogue to eliminate confusion or resolve conflicts, ensuring everyone involved can move forward with a clear understanding. This phrase is often used in personal relationships, workplaces, and any scenario where miscommunications or tensions have arisen. The phrase, clear the air, metaphorically draws from the idea of removing pollutants or fog from the air, making it clean and clear again. Similarly, when we use this phrase in conversation, it's about removing the pollution of misunderstandings or negative emotions that might be clouding a relationship or situation. Although it's challenging to pinpoint the exact origin of the phrase, it's widely understood and used in English-speaking cultures around the world. When you feel there's a misunderstanding or tension, you can initiate a conversation with, "Let's clear the air." Here are a few tips on using this phrase effectively. Be sincere, ensure you're genuinely interested in resolving the issue. Choose the right time and place. Find a private and comfortable setting for the conversation. Be prepared to listen. Clearing the air is as much about listening as it is about explaining your side. Stay calm and respectful. Keep the discussion positive and productive. We hope this video helps you understand how and when to use "Let's clear the air." It's a powerful phrase that can help mend relationships and foster a positive environment, whether at home, work, or in social settings. Remember, clear communication is key to overcoming misunderstandings. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.